Okay, you guys, so we're going to melt our Vaseline. Okay, this is from Dollar Store. And also this Couture 70 Sheer Couture Body Mist. And it's from Dollar Tree as well. I use this when I go to work so that my hands will be more moisturized, because the soap that we use there is not the best, but I want, when I put my Vaseline on, it gives me that smell and that moisture that I needed. So let's melt this. So I have my hot water going on now, so let's discard that, and then gonna put your hot water into this and let this melt. Okay, you guys, so it almost, you know, to the liquid consistency, but we're gonna add our perfume body mist. You can add whatever you want to add. Like I said, it's your Vaseline. You do whatever is good for you. Okay. Okay, so that's all we're gonna add to it, and then we're gonna mix it. If you never purchased this, I don't think they have this anymore. I got it last summer, but you guys, this smells so good, so good. I have a couple of different body mists of this. You guys, this smells so good. If you try this, let me know down. But you guys, trust me, that $1.25, it's better than some of those perfume or body mists we've been buying for more higher prices than $1.25. Not everything at Dollar Store is great, but let me tell you, this one, I think I had 3 or 4 of these collections. Um, if I can find them all together, I'll bring it to you guys. But this is one of them. I think they have the 60s and all of that, 50s, a label, so. Dollar Store, I'm waiting for you to sponsor me. And when something is good, I'm going to say it. When something is not good, I'm going to say it, regardless if Dollar Tree sponsor or not sponsor. If a product is good, even if it's not from Dollar Tree, I will come and share my thoughts, just like everybody has their own. I'll come and share my experience with the product. So, yeah, it's just like you buy a brand name tissue and a non-brand name tissue. Sometimes we pay for the price, the brand, and the brand ain't even branded. Okay? The brand ain't even branded. The non-brand is branded and the brand name one. Please. Okay? So, this is the consistency right now. Everything is mixed, so, yep. I'm going to take this and put it in the freezer. Give it about 30 minutes or 15, 20 minutes. That's a maximum of 30. Okay? And we come back with a nice, consistency. Yeah. Smells so good. So good, yeah. So good. Vaseline is already shiny anyway, but when I tell you the smell that is coming out of here, leave this in your car. We're not doing the summertime because this bad boy is gonna melt. But leave this in your car. Take it to work. Do this and come back and tell me how it feels or what's your experience. I know some of you know this, and and some of you don't. So, all right, guys. So I'ma put this in the freezer. It's okay now. And put this in the freezer, and I'm gonna come back and show you the final result. Okay? All right. Okay, you guys. I took it out of the freezer, and this is how our Vaseline is looking like. Okay. So take this, and you get a nice smelly, hands. Don't forget your cuticles and stuff. So, alright. Hope you like this hack. Bye bye. Yes, bye bye. It's gonna go right in my bag. Alright. I'll see you on the next one. Good day. Bye.